Hi, welcome to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Pinterest base code using Google Tag Manager for your website so that you could measure and track conversion tracking for your Pinterest ad. For do this, we need to first log in our Pinterest account. After login, you will find this interface. Then you need to go this hamburger menu and under manage sections, you will find a business manager. You need to click here to go that sections. Within that sections, you will find add account. Also, you could arrive here by clicking add accounts from here as well. So when after that you need to click your add account, then go to add account from here, view reporting. Then from this hamburger menu, you need to select the conversion option from under the manage business. In conversion window, you need to select Tag Manager, then install the Pinterest tag. You need to click here, put your targeted website URL at the input field and check. Then they will suggest you to use their plugin to connect Pinterest conversion tracking, but we'll use manual setup. That is the most stable, accurate, and proper setup way. But it need expertise, knowledge. So we need to click here, skip to manual setup. Then a code will be appear. It's a JavaScript code, and we need to place this code after being a modify in our Google Tag Manager to configure the Pinterest base code. So we'll copy the full code here, then we'll go our GTM container, then then click new, then custom HTML. Pinterest has its own template, but as I experience the template is not work properly. That's why it's better to use custom HTML as I am showing here the process, then you will get good result. So here in within HTML field you need to paste the code. Then from the bottom of the code you will need to delete a not skip sections. Also, we will copy this last two line from here, and this is the base code, right? And here you need to select the trigger, all phases, and name pin Pinterest config. Okay, save it. So your config tag is set up here. Then take another custom HTML tag and write script, and under the script tag paste the two line that we cut from the base code and paste here. And this is for page view event. Since in page view event we don't found the user email, we will delete these options and keep the remaining, and then we'll select trigger all page and rename the tag rest page view. So this way you could set up your Pinterest config tag and page view tag. Let's preview to see if everything is working as expected or not. Here we will off the gender and birthday if we can't found these two parameter or automatic enhanced matched enable. Then continue, then done. Then within test event, I will put the website address and launch events. Then our tag assistant is connected. As you see, interest, our tag ID is connected, and our base code is fired successfully. And if we observe, then I will visit the view content, that is space view event. Here, this event has been fired. So here it will come the event. Sometime it take times, but as you see, uh, there is no issue as Pinterest tag help for showing that everything is working perfectly. In the next video, I will show you how to set up view content, add to cart, vegan checkout, and finally purchase event for Pinterest with enhanced conversion tracking. So stay with us up to then. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Goodbye. Have a good day. Bye.